Welcome. If you're finding those Gmail notifications popping up on your screen a bit too distracting, especially the other notifications showing as pop-ups, I'm here to help you turn that feature off. Let's dive straight into the updated method to stop Gmail's unwanted pop-ups on your phone. First, unlock your phone and go to your phone settings. This is the central place where you can control how all your apps send notifications. Next, scroll through your apps list and tap on Apps to open the full list of installed applications. From there, find and select Gmail. That's the app sending those pop-up alerts. Once you're in the Gmail app settings, tap on Notifications. This will bring up all the ways Gmail notifies you on your phone. Look for notification categories and tap on it. Here, you'll see different groups of notifications from Gmail, such as primary, social, promotions, and importantly, other notifications. Select Other Notifications from this list. This category usually includes less urgent alerts, but it's the one that often pops up on your screen in an annoying way. To stop those pop-up alerts, find the option labeled Show as pop-up and simply toggle it off. This disables the pop-up display for these other Gmail notifications, but still lets them appear quietly in your notification bar without interrupting you. And that's it. By following these steps, you will no longer get those intrusive Gmail pop-up notifications from other notifications, giving you a smoother, less distracting phone experience. If ever you want to reverse this and get the pop-ups back, just follow the same steps and toggle Show as pop-up back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your distractions-free Gmail notifications.